everyone, orchid lover here in Australia again. Today I'm gonna show you the orchids that I have a flower last time, few months ago. And now this time, all the flowers is finished now. As you can see, there's nothing left here. I should focus this in camera now. Here, all the spike, it's all gone. Spike still here, still nice and green, guys, look. And even give me new shoots here, which is I was waiting if it's still growing back again or not. So voila, there's another one here, which is make me happy and so exciting to show it, guys, because there's another baby coming out here. I think that's the flower now. And there is more coming here as well, which is pretty cool. I hope you can see this one. Yeah, there is the focus. Here is the new one here, and here even on the top, and the side is not yet. So as you can see, the spikes here, the older spike that the flower gave me flower last few months ago. I just waiting and waiting. We'll see if it turn yellow. Supposed to be often this one, the spike, after finish the flowering, all these flowers are gone and falling off and dried. Supposed to be this one, it will turn yellow, but I was waiting to turn yellow. Nope, until it's grow back again like this. See how exciting is that? So I was going to cut this supposedly, but I didn't. So I wait that until this is turned like this. It makes me really excited to show this, guys. It's really good. So that's the chances, but this is really rare to open new buds here or new shoots here. So you have to wait until the spike turn yellow. So if they don't turn yellow, there is a possibility it will shoots the new one like this here. It's in the syringe. So yesterday I gave them water as well. See this? And even the new leaves approaching. So cute. And there's more here. So good. It's so baby one. And this is going up. It's really healthy. Very nice, shiny too. And there's more little one here coming. Beautiful. And she got more roots too. Oh, she's already in the bottom, so I don't want to disturb that much. Hi, this is more too. I'm gonna show you more, you guys. Hey, look, there is more roots coming there. As you can see the green one there. And here going up, I think this is the aerial roots. Aerial roots, which many just love to hanging outside. They don't want to hide it in the bottom. So they just want to hang outside just to see in the sun more, and they just want to hang it like this. So there's another one, but I kind of push it a little bit. I hope it's alive. So this one I can't push anymore because they just want to get out from the hole. So she's very exciting, very exciting. And yesterday, as I said, I gave him water, and today I give him oh, actually, guys, after you give your orchids a water like that, as you can see, they are all wet now. Almost all the media that I mix here, they are all wet. See, after giving that, then it's the time to give them fertilizer, which is right here. It's a mix of the fertilizer that I use for my orchids. That's the secret why it grows really good and bloom alright for me. See, awesome. And I'm using this little syringe here. I'm using this one here to give them proper nutrients. I did it once a week, or sometimes I did it twice a week, only in the summertime. And then in the winter time, I only give them like every 2 weeks for the fertilizer, so they don't get too much wet, because in the winter they are dormant, meaning they don't need anything as long as they are still wet. it's alright, and you don't have to wet them a lot or already here inside, so you don't create molds or any kind of diseases. So that's what I do in the winter. Anyhow, I open the syringe now, and bear with me guys because I'm using my other hand with this and the other hand with this. So here is the mixture of my fertilizer that I use for my orchids. I already have this how I show you what is the method I use for my orchids for the fertilizer. It's right there in the video. I could probably link it here so you can see it guys. So yeah, sure I could. This time now I'm gonna using the syringe like that, slowly using the syringe here. Okay, until you get up and full. There you are, simple as it does. I'm gonna sit up a bit so I can give this one here. The reason I got this beautiful plastic purple, so whatever water I put here, liquid, it won't go in the table or anything, surface. So now I'm gonna inject it like this, slowly, right here. Here. Yeah, so I just repeat it more and more until it's fully submerged. Not really fully submerged, until all these things is satisfied and look happy. At least I give him before of this little one, four syringe. Give it like this. I need it already in the side and here in the bottom. Here, it's really easy to handle the little syringe in my little hand. Fun. Okay. Hello. You love the tickle, you know. Hello. You are all so cute. This. Okay. Now we're gonna do this in the other side, around here. This side up here. All over, just over there. That tree. Last one now. I don't give them too much, although this one is really my method how I give them food or nutrients. For sure this is enough until it goes in the bottom of the roots. Okay, maybe one more just to observe in the bottom. See, it's not even in the bottom thing yet, so which meant it didn't arrive in the bottom. Okay, give it too much, huh? You don't have to put this one here, this in the crown. You're gonna get root crown here, root or crown will be root if you put a lot of water. Oh, sometimes if you can put water here or in a liquid, just right away dry it with the tissue, don't freak out. Everything will be alright. That's it guys. Still not even going in the bottom, so should be alright. Or I'm just gonna get you a bit more, sorry, just to satisfy this one. Okay, they're pretty wet now. Get a bit more there, a bit more in the bottom. That's it. So I'm gonna show this to you again guys. This is beautiful one here. I always spray that in the water bottle. If there is more raining, then we collected rain, and we give them a lot of water to the rain. But this time, no more raining for a while now. We are approaching winter too, so you are barely aware to get the rain too. So there it is guys, as you can see, She is pretty wet with food nutrients that I gave them. That's it. And as always I said, wait this one for a while. When the flowering is finished, you will see or you will notice if this one will turn yellow, then meaning they won't give you another lives again. But if you can see few months this one will turn still green and still green, there's possibility that it will give you this little shoots here. It will turn probably flowers there, which is really excited, and I'm really excited to show this to you soon in the future, guys. Let's see how it looks like and how this progress on us, and I'm really happy to share to you the knowledge that I know about orchids. We are not very so professional here or really about knowledge. I just read a lot of stuff, and I'm just passing it to you too. So I'm so excited with this baby one here, baby leaves. See it keep growing. So if this one happening here, I will just upload and update it soon. Let's see what's going on here. As for now, that's what I show you, how to give these orchids a proper nutrients, give them a bit more if you're not satisfied yet until they get wet, and then they are fine. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy your happy weekends and happy Holy Week, happy Easter week everybody, and don't eat too much chocolates. Be careful your health and always stay home. Just keep the social distancing for now, and we are in this all together guys, in this virus. I hope everybody stays safe and home, and we need to find out how we deal these things going on in our world. In Australia we have a stage 2 lockdown here now, so we have a lot of work to do at home. So that's how you deal with isolation, being busy, more exercise, more walking, more things to do at home, more things to do going with the babies, more attention now than we used to be. So they really look happy, and the rest I'm gonna show you that later to you guys. The rest of these, but they're really big orchids, the giant one with a light brown color, as you can see, and the bottom is already here, so which means I gave them some enough water or enough fertilizer. It really shows that good thing about this very nice orchid pot is a lot of holes, as you can see everyone, and I like the black color because it's less moldy compared to the, when I use this like this, the other pot but clear like this color, I could see there's a lot of green algae inside. So when you use the black one, you can see many of these molds or algae. Thank God it's no mold for my orchids. It's not a good sign if your orchids got mold, alright? Anyhow, she's throwing the water now here in this little plate saucer, right that? So I'm gonna transfer it somewhere in the plants, not in the same orchids, just another plants, beautiful hanging plants, so you got more nutrients too. Like these orchids, I use the same fertilizer for my other beautiful succulents, which is I'm gonna show you one day. They are already nice and growing really good, easy to grow. I love succulents too. So anyhow, we come back with this, and that's it guys. I think I already show you how I deal with the orchids and how I give them proper nutrients and how much I give them and how I drain them. Alright, I'm really excited to show this one to you about this. Alright guys, I hope you're having a good time. Happy Easter week again, and stay safe. Happy long weekends Australia, all my friends, all our friends in Australia and family. Happy long weekends everyone. I hope you have a safe day. Be careful out there. See you soon, guys. Orchid lover here in Australia. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and leave us a comment down below. We will do the same for you as well. Just keep us supported. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye for now.